Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding. I've had this Alien Rider M2 Max on my bike for well over a year now, and it's now due to be coming off because I've got other units that I need to test. And it's a testament to the fact that it is that good that I've actually left it for this long, because I've had other units that I've tested and I've refitted this back on again because I prefer to have it, but I think time's now come where I have to just get it off and get something else onto it altogether. But I thought we'd just do a recap of this unit and just run through some of the features and tell you why it's such a good all-round unit. I mean, the Alien Rider M2 Max isn't just a smart display. It's got the dash cams, it's got blind spot detectors, and it's got tire pressure monitors. So it gives you absolutely everything in one. I mean, if you can see from here, it's got the temperature of the tires, and it's got the tire pressures themselves. It's got the front and rear cameras, and the blind spot detectors work really, really well too. You know, so everything just works on this unit with no issues. You know, it just works so well. In fact, there, if you just saw that, that was a blind spot detector kicking in because the car just came up behind me. So it does all of those things pretty easily, you know, and it works really, really well. Now, one of the other things about this unit is that you can change the orientation on it, and all you have to do is just change over from the settings here. Now I just need to find it myself. It's been ages since I've done it. There is their screen rotation, so I just click confirm and it will change over to portrait mode. So there we go. Now everything will be in portrait mode, including the maps and everything. So there's quite a lot of bikes that come out now that have got portrait mode TFT displays, and it kind of goes in nicely next to them, I think. So if you get one of those type of bikes, then I think that might work really well for you. So this is in the portrait mode. So yeah, so that's the CarPlay loaded, and that's what the maps look like. So the Alien Rider M2 Max it's been pretty reliable. The only issue I've had in just over a year of using these units, I had the Alien Rider M2 first, and on that unit the blind spot detector, the actual little radar unit that goes in the back, that failed. And that failed after about a month, and I contacted Alien Rider and then they sent me a new one out, so it wasn't a huge hassle. And this one, it's been a year and there's been no failures of any description. I mean, the bike's been washed umpteen times and everything else, you know, it's been through quite a bit and it has been fine. And as I said, if you've got one of the newer bikes that have got a TFT display that's in a vertical mode, then this one will fit nicely next to it. Because I'm actually going to take off this bike. I'm thinking of getting another bike, a second bike, and I'm not decided which one yet. I'm still trying to figure out which one, but there's one of them is the Cove Rally 800X, and that's got a vertical display, and this would fit nicely to next to it as well. So if I do get that bike, then this is going to go on there, I think. But overall, it's been reliable. The blind spot detector is very, very good in the unit. It does everything it needs to do. I've not had any other issues with it. So if you want an all-in-one system that's got everything, TPMs, DSD, you know, CarPlay, Android Auto, etc., etc., dash cams, then the Alien Rider is one of the very few that will give you absolutely everything that you want. So I still recommend it highly. I think it's a good unit. I don't think they make bad units, Alien Rider. I think they do make some decent units. You know, you've probably seen from some of my reviews, they also do lights, and the lighting systems are really good as well. So have a look at them while you're at it, you know. But I think they've got an EU website as well now that you can buy in the European Union, or you can buy direct from them. To be fair, I think it's cheaper if you order it direct from them, from the alienrider.com website. I don't have any discount codes or anything from at this point. I have asked them to give me some, but to date they haven't done it, so I'm not holding out much hope. So, but in any case, it's a lot cheaper if you buy direct from Alien Rider than from the EU website, because there seemed to be quite a huge difference in price. I don't know if that's to do with VAT and everything else, or I don't know, I can't say. But it shouldn't be as high as that, so my recommendation is if you do want to buy these, just get it straight from Alien Rider themselves. Or I think they're also on AliExpress, you might be able to get it there as well. But in any case, they are very good units. If you've got any questions on it, I'm pretty sure I can answer them. But as I said, this unit will be coming off this bike probably next week, so it's been a very, very good unit. But as I said, I've got too many other units coming in, I need to test them, and I need the space. I don't want 3-4 units on my bike at one time, so this is going to have to come off now. So thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, just let me know. Thanks.